Hello, so just wanted to pick up where I left off. So this time I'm going to show you how to make a little poster card. It's pretty much in Instagram or Facebook post for a Valentine. I'm going to make a Valentine's one. So if you have a Valentine crush or just someone who's a Valentine. Okay, I'm going to start from the beginning. So here we can get a white sheet, blank, blank, blank. And then let's pick pink for Valentine's. Oh, that's an ugly pink. Maybe like that one. You could put pink, purple, whatever color, but let's go with pink. Okay, and then you gotta think of words or pictures. How do you feel? How do you feel about this person? I'm gonna put in Valentine. How do you feel about this person? Okay, this is a good how you feel. Okay, what about an envelope? A little envelope there. Okay, so we're going to place that there. And then how about texting? So there's all these different text fonts, but this one definitely looks like for Valentine's. So I'm going to put be mine. Could be like be mine question mark. Let's see. Like that. Simple like that. There we go. Okay, try and align it. And you could change the colors of the picture if you wanted. Like, say you want it to be a red. Ooh, that kind of matches this, the red instead of a pink. Yeah, we'll try the red. Okay, leave it like a red. And you'll be like, hey, be mine. Alright, so that's okay, so before we move on to another design, remember it's Valentine's. So you get as creative as you want. I'm still using Valentine in the search box in the elements for pictures. And you can use whatever you want. Oh look, like you can do a cupcake, the little person, little people here. Oh, so happy. Oh look, like a little group of people, I guess. I don't know, how does it go? Yay, Valentine! Or maybe they're together. I don't know. Ooh, like some chocolates. It is about the thought that matters. And, it's creative doing this rather than just finding something, copy and pasting it from Pinterest. So you could do that. So that's a different kind of clip arts. Actually, they also have photos, so let's see. And just do a new page. You can do photos too. Oh, look, they got a suggestion. Love. Let's see. What kind of pictures do you have as love? Okay. Love. O is for the way you look at me. Oh. Oh, look. There's another picture. Yeah. So there's a couple of pictures they got there. I'm more of the clip art, like the design drawing kind of person. So you can mess around with that. Yeah, you can do videos, backgrounds. Yeah, get creative as you want. Oh, look, something I didn't see before. This is cute. Look at this. Oh, I gotta use that on the first one. But I think it's simple. I come up with simple ideas and designs. Alright. Okay, so we'll do one more. So how about we do something with a saying? Again, we'll just use some clip art. Again, that's always cute. The clip art's cute. So how about something sweet? Valentine's Day sweet. Some pie. What would I say? Cupcakes. I like cupcakes and cake. But I have a saying here. Maybe you can guess what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I went to text and pick one. There's a lot. And actually, what you could also do with text is you can fix that like that. So let's see, maybe try 100. Okay, that looks good. But like with the text, you can actually change it up. So if you just go to the little text right there. And yes, you know what's next. It seems cliche, but the wording seems cliche, but it's the design that I think makes it pop out. Colors for the pie, darker brown. I mean, that tan is good. Okay, so like for steam, what's a good color for steam? Fresh. Ooh, nah, leave that. I don't know what color it is for. Well, sweetie pie. See how quickly that is done. That's cute. It's cute and short, and I'm sure your sweetie pie, whether it be a crush or your real sweetie pie, would love it. So get creative.